Hello, my name is Marko, and I'm from Irvine Meditation. Before I started meditation, I followed many different philosophies and spiritual texts and so on and so forth, and authors. And a lot of them talked about being present, being conscious, and that we're living in a dream, that we're lost in thought all the time, that we're unconscious. So after a couple years, I thought I actually knew what the authors were talking about because I studied it and I was learning it. But at some point I realized I actually wasn't becoming what they were talking about. I wasn't becoming more conscious, even though I knew more about the topic. So that's when I decided to actually take some action. Instead of reading about it, I decided to start doing the process. And lucky for me, I found this meditation here. As I started the meditation, I was able to let go of many different things, let go of the past and the future and worries and hurts and habits and so on. More and more letting go of myself, my false self. And when I started doing that, that's when I started slowly getting the taste and peeking in to this world of consciousness, to this world of awakeness and awareness. Until then, even though I understood the topic, I actually was still asleep. I was somebody who understood what it means to be asleep, but I myself was still asleep. I myself was still lost in thought. So it takes the letting go of myself, the denying myself, to really start to understand what it means to be lost in thought, and then to understand or feel what it means to be no longer lost in thought, to be more present, to be more aware. And so it reminded me of a song that I just heard recently. It was from Jewel called Goodbye Alice in Wonderland. And one of the phrases goes something like this. The truth is stranger than fiction, and this is my chance to get it right. And life is much better without all those pretty lies. So on my journey to becoming less lost in thought and more awake, I found exactly what she says there to be true. And I have meditation to thank for this, and everybody in the meditation to thank for this. So thank you for the chance for me to get it right. I appreciate it. Thank you.